If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. To void a check in QuickBooks Online, find and open the check to void. Then click the More button in the toolbar at the bottom of the check window. Click the Void command in the pop-up menu that appears. Then click the Void Transaction button in the confirmation pop-up window that appears. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.